Welcome to our video on setting daily limits on Instagram. Why set daily limits? In this video you will get step-by-step guide on how to set your daily limit on Instagram. Improving your mental health and productivity. Let's start the video. In settings you will tap on your activity. Scroll down a bit and then tap on time spent. Tap on daily limit. Here you can set your time limit according to your need, and if you want to turn it off, you are willing to do it. This is the easy tutorial for setting daily limit on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful and you must like it. Also hit the subscribe button.